a special thank you. Well, I have had this on my wall for almost 4 years, and I want to tell you that you guys made my year super special. And without your existence in my life, I don't know where would I have been by now. This video is super special because I'm going to be unboxing my very first YouTube award. It's the Silver Award from YouTube. I've got this and received the news when I was back home in Egypt, celebrated with some helium balloons, and was feeling like a child. When I started this YouTube channel 7 years ago, I didn't start it because I wanted it to be a source of money or income for me. It solely started because I was feeling that I wanted to share some information with people. It started as a project for university, a campaign for reusability and doing things yourself. Then from that, I made a show called DIY Days. In DIY Days, I've received a hate message that really talked me through my consumerism habits and really transformed me into the minimalist, or what I associate myself with, minimalism and quality, luxurious type of lifestyle that I live right now. And through that, a lot of things got together. I was always not very confident, and through this channel I've gained my confidence and I've accepted myself the way I am, and I've been very proud of it and where it got me. And this video, especially thank you for this. I wanted you to share the experience of opening this with me. They definitely opened it already at the customs because I live in Germany, if you know, and this was coming from US. Oh my god. It came with a letter. It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we would like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations." Oh my god. This is super special. You guys. Oh. Shoot. That's so pretty and heavy. Oh my goodness. I think my lighting is leaving me. Look at that. Holy moly. Look at this. It has my name on it. It's shiny. This is going to remind me of every single person out there that is watching me, that likes my content. When I look at myself in this, because this has a mirror, I really feel like I have a responsibility of sort to all of you, and I'm so thankful for this, and I hope that I am adequate and fitting for that. Leave down below a comment telling me what you expect from this channel, what you want to see more from me, and for sure I'm going to be sharing my life from now on with you. I promise. I know I've delayed so many times, but you're gonna have 2 videos a week from me. That's like a pledge that I give you today, because you really deserve all the best content that I can create for all of you. Thank you so much for always supporting and watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.